All right, so I believe we had left off at example 6. So right here with example 6, I'm going to start our solution. So we can say, let's subtract 2x on both sides. That cancels out. And that 13 drops down. And we have 3x minus 2x, which is x. So we're going to subtract 20 on both sides. And that cancels out, and we're left with x is less than or equal to 13 minus 20, which is negative 7. Now, when graphing this, we have negative 7. It's a closed circle. It's going to be everything less than negative 7. Now, we didn't divide here because we already left with 1x, but we could have divided still by 1, and the answer would have been the same. X is less than or equal to negative 7. So let's move on to the next one. And with this, there's a couple things to do before we start solving the equation. So what we want to do is that we want to distribute 3 on this side. So we have 3x minus 12 minus 5. And on the other side, we also distribute that 5. So we have 5x minus 5 minus 12. So we're going to focus on each side. So if we start off with the left side of the equation, we can combine negative 12 minus 5. So we would have 3x minus 17. And on the other side, we can combine negative 5 and negative 12, and that's 5x minus 17. So to solve this, we can start moving our equation around. So we'd subtract 5x on both sides. We'd be left with negative 2x. And then we'd add 17 on both sides. And what that actually causes is for both of them to cancel out. So we're actually left with negative 2x less than or equal to 0. Now this is where it's important because we still need to divide by negative 2. And since we are dividing by a negative, that means that the inequality is going to flip towards x. So the answer is still 0, but now it's x greater than or equal to 0. So graphing this, we would start off at 0, and it's everything greater than 0.